Hi everybody, Mike Marzoff here, my introduction video for the fourth and final supervised practicum for the State University Transition to Teaching 812, Module 0, Heidi Albin as the instructor. As I mentioned, my name is Mike Marzoff. I'm my second year here at Chase Raymond USD 401. I teach mainly journalism classes, which is photography and yearbook, and then 8th grade ELA. And this year I've taken on a careers class for the seniors. I also am the girls basketball coach here. This is my third year doing that. Ironically, that's what got me into the program. 3 years ago, I was a Rule 10 coach. Found out I really got along good with the girls and just the students in general. I started talking to the then principal, now superintendent, about this particular program. She kind of told me about it, and the rest kind of history. Here we are. Another thing, as I mentioned before, the college and careers counselor. Our district is a very poor one. Not too many of these students go straight to four-year schools like the traditional route. I help them. I got 13 of them this year. We're looking more at a lot of welding, carpentry, daycare, CDL license, things that these kids can use pretty much a year or two and then right into it. My main focus with this class has been basically my focus since I started 2 years ago, and that's getting to be a better teacher. It had been 30 years since I've been in a classroom. I'm 54 years old when I started this. I know I can relate to the students. I need to use that ability to understand the teaching process better and become a better teacher. That's always been my goal, and that has not changed. And this class, by setting goals and trying to achieve them, should help me with that. Some interesting things. I've been a high school football official for 22 years. One of the most fun things I do. Some of my best friends run our crew, and we really look forward to spending those 10 or 11 Friday nights together every year. I also still a sports writer. When I graduated Fort State 30-some years ago, I was a sports writer. I spent a majority of the time doing that with some sports information at colleges. Sports is still a big part of what I do, and I have a weekly column called At the Mic. It appears on the sports page, but it's just basically about life. I'm having a whole lot of fun with that, and a lot of people come up to me that I don't know, say, hey, I enjoy reading your column, and that feels pretty good. So there you have it. A little bit about me. Thank you for listening, and let's have a great semester.